Okay, easy peasy question. Oh, sabi dito, a client receiving IV fluids complains of swelling, coolness, and pallor around the IV insertion site. So, with slowed infusion rate, the nurse suspects which complication? Answer?
Infiltration.
Letter.
Huh?
Type your letter.
B.
Type your letters. Si Ja. Ja, nahuli ka. Pero ano, love pa din yun, love. Love pa din. Di ba? Bilis nagpalit dyan ah. Di ba? So, okay, correct answer is B. Okay. Okay, so the nurse notes redness, warmth, tenderness, and palpable cord along the vein proximal to this IV site. What is the most likely complication? Ah, answer. Galing ah, 'di ba? Sinabi ko doon, minention ko kanina. Yan yun eh. Nakita niyo yung word na ano, palpable cord. Tender redness, palpable cord along the vein proximal to the IV site. Mahaba yun. Kita niyo. So very good. C. Plebitis. No? So number 3, 1, 2, 3. A client receiving a vesicant medication like your chemotherapy. Oh, bullshit. Di ba? Answer. Parang ano to ah. Unahan ba to? Unahan. Okay, ngayon nagigets niya na, no? Gagigets niya na. Ganun lang kadali yun, guys. Ganun lang kadali. Need nyo lang tandaan yung ano, kung ano yung complication. Apat lang naman yun. Number 4. Okay? So, post-operative, receiving rapid IV infusion. Bobo. Bobo. Answer? Bullshit. Oh, perfect. Mukhang madadali ako ng top notcher, ah. Madadali akong top notcher. Madadali ako ng top notcher. Isipin mo, isang taon natin to gagawin, pre. Isang taon to, guys, gagawin nyo. So ang isipin nyo kung di nyo to makabisa. Isang taon yan, guys. No? So, number 5, answer? Answer, number 5. Answer.
Chest pain, dyspnea, tachycardia.
Answer. Number 5, answer. Sumagot na lahat. Okay, letter B. Kalimutan nyo, this is a air embolism. Nandun yung word eh. Air bubbles, entering the line, suddenly becomes anxious, chest pain, dyspnea, tachycardia. So, letter B. Place the client in a left position or a Trendelenburg position and notify the provider. Very good. So, we'll proceed to the ano. Papalitin ko na itong mga questions. Ha? Papalitin ko na. Para hindi na siya makasagabal. Papalitin ko lang. Para it stays there. No? Stays there. 4 na lang size natin. 4. Lumit na. 4 na lang. So, dyan na siya. Di na siya dyan aalis. Forever na siya nandyan. Tapos, go to, peri-op. Sige, load ko lang to. No?